This tutorial video is on Trakstar. Trakstar is our performance management site. We utilize this site to document performance year-round, complete annual evaluations, and to track employee progress towards meeting established goals. On the home page, you will have access to your appraisal, and if you are a manager, you will also have access to your direct reports. The process is the same whether you are adding notes for yourself or for your direct reports. To review the factors, notes, and goals for yourself, you will click on View Appraisal. If you wish to do so for your direct report, you will click on the position title. This page will list all the different factors that you will be evaluated on. From February to December, the appraisal will be in the note stage. In January of each year, the appraisal period will open and you will be able to select a score on the rating scale down below. Throughout the year, you are required to document notes regarding your performance in the system. To do so, you enter your comments in the text box under the specific category you wish to do so. Or you can scroll down to the bottom of the page and enter them in the general notes category. You will have the ability to enter notes and make them either visible to your manager or employee, or if you wish to do so, you can leave it as is. You can also attach a file if you wish, if you're working on a specific project. Documenting your progress will facilitate the performance appraisal process in January because all the notes will be readily available. There's no limit to the amount of notes that you can record in the system. When adding notes, it is extremely important to be descriptive and include examples and details. Adding a note that says, "I met my goal," or "the employee did a great job," is invaluable. You need to make sure that you're adding details. For example, this note up here, Mr. Jones highly commended Diami for her assistance during the account opening process. She went above and beyond to service him by contacting his accountant and organizing necessary paperwork that was needed to complete this task. This required constant follow-up throughout the week to ensure the task was completed correctly, and Diami successfully completed this task. This is a very descriptive and detailed note, and this is a very good example of one that would be completed in the system. All new hires will be assigned a 90-day action plan and will be inserted into Trakstar by HR in the Goals section. Goals will be added by your manager on a yearly basis and will be factored into your final appraisal score at the end of January of each year. Email reminders will be sent at the 30, 60, and 90-day mark to remind you to log into Trakstar and to record notes. This will be required of all employees and managers. Remember, it is important to continue to record notes year-round, not only during the 90-day period. From the home page, you will see that we will also be having a mid-year check-in in July of each year. The manager will go in and write notes on how the employee has performed and whether they are on track to meet the specific goals for the given year. Each employee will electronically acknowledge their mid-year review directly in this Trakstar system. If you have any other questions on the Trakstar system, please don't hesitate to contact the HR team, and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you.